Hello, welcome to Homework Problem Practice Review. This is week 6 and we'll start on number 6. Essentially, it says if you paid more in tuition to go to a top business school, will it necessarily result in higher probability of a job offer at graduation? Great to know information. Here we have some data that shows one school annual tuition is here, and this is the percentage of job offers. Annual tuition, percentage of job offers. So we want to see, is there a positive linear relationship between y and x? They're showing here that we need to allow our tuition cost to be our x and our percentage of graduate job offers to be our y. So here we're going to first write out our null and alternative. Remember, in this case, we want to make sure there's a positive linear relationship, so my slope will be positive. So basically, beta 1 is slope. So we want to show that beta 1, or we want to provide evidence to support the claim that beta 1 is positive. Well, here it shows beta 1 is positive, beta 1 is greater than 0. That's your claim. Your null always shows equality, so it's just the opposite. Okay. Next, we need to find the test statistic that goes along with the slope. And the slope we're referring to is we're looking at as annual tuition increases, how much does the percentage of job offers also increase. So we're going to take this data, put it in many tabs. So the easiest way with this program to put it in many tabs, I would click here, open, copy to a clipboard, open up Excel, click over here, paste. Now it's in Excel. Now I'm going to copy it from Excel, and I don't know why it doesn't copy directly to many tabs. It just doesn't, and I'm going to get rid of some data I had in there earlier because it's a little different. I'm going to paste. Alright, there's my data. Alright, next what you're going to do is you're going to run a general regression. So let me get rid of what I have over here. Okay, I'm going to go stat, regression, general regression, and then here I already have mine selected, but just to show you, my response is going to be a y variable. So my y in this case was percentage of job offers. Model is going to be your x, your input is going to be annual tuition, and here we're just going to click OK, and then I'm going to scroll up, look at my information. What I'm looking for is the coefficients. Your coefficient for your annual tuition is 0.0004, and here the t-value, this is just the value to test this claim, is 0.24202. Let's go back and plug that in for the t-value. Okay, and here we round this to 2 decimal places, just basically 0.24. Okay, next we need to find the p-value. We're going to go back to our chart. Here, this is the p-value that's associated with this t-value and this coefficient of the slope. But the only problem in many tabs, it only goes out to 3 decimal places, and we really need to go out to more than just 3 decimal places because we need to round to 4. So if you scroll down to analysis of variance, there's the same p-value. These are the same when you're dealing with linear regression. So what I'll do, I need to take this value p and I need to divide it by 2. And the reason for that is just the way Minitabs runs the output. So I'm going to type in this in Excel and divide it by 2. Okay, here's the value up here divided by 2. Hit enter. So my value is 0.4074. Alright, and the last question, I simply have to determine whether I'm going to reject or not reject. Remember, if p is less than alpha, you reject. So here my p-value is 0.4, my alpha is 0.1. Well, my p is larger than alpha, so I do not reject. So I'm going to look down here. You do not reject the null because there is insufficient evidence that there exists a positive relationship. And click there. And that's it for problem number 6.